Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Cleaning refrigerator shelves thoroughly usually takes 15 to 30 minutes. Remove all items and detachable shelves first. Wash them with warm, soapy water, rinse, and dry completely. Don't forget to wipe the interior walls and door seals. Doing this every few months keeps your fridge fresh and safe.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.